Oh, look at this. You guys will never guess why we're here. Oh, yup.
Yup.
I bet you guys didn't know about this. This is the plug right here. Look at that. I'm buying oil for the new car. Low key, I mean, honestly, it only deserves that. I mean, if we're being real here.
Yeah, but it doesn't have the oil it needs. I need 520.
Oh shit, I didn't even see that.
Man, this is like water.
Wait, one more time. Oh shit, Castro's only 397. Huh. Alright guys, Leo's about to go make the purchase right now. Before we show you what car it is, we're gonna give you a couple hints. It's Honda, it's manual, and it's all-wheel drive, and it's not a CRV. You guys got about 10 seconds. Alright guys, did you guess it yet? We just pulled up to Leo's. So 3, 2, 1. Boom, boy! Element gang. Element gang. There she is, guys, in all her glory. All-wheel drive.
5-speed.
5-speed, K24. Got that VTEC. Yep, so Leo's plan is to flip it. So, I mean, we're just gonna give it a really good detail. We're gonna make this shit look as brand new as we can for being an 06. So, a lot of cleaning. Interior is pretty dirty. And then, so is the back. So, oh, I didn't even tell them about the front end. We'll get you that right now. But yeah, what are we going for the dealership right now for?
Oh, it's in the battery. There's a battery issue. And I need the code for the freaking for the radio. Because I can't hear any tunes. It's got cold AC.
Damn, shit, let's go. What are we waiting for? Ew! Ew!
It's just fucking dirty in here.
As you guys can see, it says enter code on the radio. So we need to go to the dealership for that. But yeah, dude, it's my first time seeing this shifter, like actually being in the car with the shifter. That thing is so weird to me. How does it feel driving it?
I always fucking hated these cars, and after driving it, I'm assuming because it's 5-speed.
Uh-huh.
It's pretty fun. It's torquey. Right here. We know, we hit 80? Almost.
It's not that bad. Alright guys, just went to the dealership. You already know, first things first, we gotta enter this code that we just finessed. We need those tunes. Code error.
5, 3, 5, 2, 1. 5, 3, 5, 2, 1. There we go.
Hey, we got music. Let's.
And one speaker.
Alright, so we just came back from the store, got a bunch of cleaning shit. Now it's time to really clean this car thoroughly. So I'm gonna give you guys a good look of what this looks like before. So it's pretty dirty. A lot of gunk everywhere. It's pretty nasty. Oh, we also gotta talk about this real quick. So I was actually able to get a 96 front end for free. The only thing is this fender right here, I'm probably gonna replace this, but I got the headlights, fenders, and hood, and they're all pretty clean for free. So I said, why not? I need fenders, I need a hood, so whatever. It saves me money. Oh, also got a bumper. So yeah, that was a pretty good come up. I don't need to buy that anymore. So I'm pretty happy about that. So after we take this out, I'm gonna show you how dirty it is underneath. I'm gonna need to grab some gloves like Leo, and we're gonna get cracking on this bad boy.
Oh, look it.
What?
Damn, I don't know how to fucking open this. Boom! Sunroof back there.
Alright, so the front end is out. So yeah, you can see they're not in too bad condition, so I'm pretty happy about that. Got the bumper, fenders, lights, hood. So I guess I'm going 96 front end. And now that that's out the way, you can see how disgusting this is. My boy bringing the trash can. We're just gonna throw all the trash out, and then we can just get in there and take care of all that dirt.
Makes it easier.
So we pretty much took out all the trash. We started stripping all the stuff. So now we're gonna go in and just vacuum as much as we can, and then go in there with the greaser after.
He's got a fucking port back here.
That's pretty badass, I'm not gonna lie. Maybe we should just keep it. It's not.
Hey, this is the love box.
Hey, low key, we got the sunroof. Sheesh. Just throwing the mattress back here. Alright, so I just vacuumed all the dirt and everything that I could pick up, all the trash. Now my boy's going in there with the brush and the degreaser. Sheesh, guys, this thing's already looking mint. Quick update, the Element is looking way better.
Love box, bro.
Dude, this is a love box now, honestly. We degreased the hell out of it. See, my boy's not even scared to lay down in it anymore because
no, I'm not gonna catch no piece.
that stain right there, we couldn't get out, but that looks 100 times better than before. This was so dirty. Sheesh. Alright guys, so we're about to start working on all the carpets. This is disgusting. Yeah, the whole back of the Element used to look like that, so we've been putting in some pretty good work. Now it's time to make these carpets look as best as we can. Guys, this floor mat was so dirty. We didn't even realize there's an Element logo right there until we cleaned it. But the mat is looking fucking brand new now. That shit was nasty before. And same with the other mat over here. We have this one just drying, but you can see you could almost eat off it. Alright guys, so we've made a hell of progress. Let me show you. So the back seats look good. Pretty much the back looks way better than before. Now it's just the front really. We started working on the door panels a little bit. But let me get on the other side. So yeah, coming along, not looking too shabby. Pretty much it's just this passenger side. Still to give you an idea of what pretty much the whole car looked like. So we went from that to this. Not too shabby. Hey, let's just start a detailing company. Alright guys, so we've been at it since like, what was it, 2? Like 4 hours, a good 4 hours. But we got a lot done. Look at that. Whew.
My battery's dying. I'm tired.
Yeah dude, we are drained. It's been like 7 hours since we ate because we just been at it, but it was worth it. Interior looks freaking good. Now all that's left pretty much is just the engine bay and the outside, and this thing is brand new again.
Hey, look, another government.
So we literally just found out right now that these are adjustable. You can recline them to however you want. Look at that. You can have it all the way up.
They're fucking just big chunk load.
Dude, these things are badass. What? Just by pulling that strap. Damn. That's honestly really cool.
Believe it or not, this shit has a shitload of leg room.
Yeah. To be honest.
Bro, you could pick.
Starting to look like a car again.
Bro, I'd be down to keep this.
Leo, no, you can't keep it, bro. Hey, if you start flipping cars more often, bro, it's gonna be the same thing.
I know.
Start fixing it. You can't grow attached to them.
I wouldn't mind it, I should say.
Yeah, I feel you on that. Me neither, actually. It's pretty cool. You already know, guys. Even the spare has to look nice. Even the scissor jack, guys. Even the scissor jack is getting the treatment. Sheesh.
Scissor jack in a spare tire, right?
Mm-hmm.
You don't got nothing to take off the lug nuts.
Oh yeah, huh? They kind of fucked with that. Sorry. I even got that one tool to spin the jack.
Yeah.
Whatever. At least they're getting a spare. And the final, well, not the final piece. The carpet's technically the final piece. But, damn. Alright, so for right now, we're gonna throw all of this back in there, and then tomorrow we're gonna swap over everything on the Civic. So, yep. Look at that, guys. Legit, a whole front end fits with ease. With ease. You could fit like another bumper, another hood if you wanted, an extra pair of fenders. That's crazy. These things are tight. Bro, how could we forget, bro? What's the most important part, bro?
Oh yeah, I know, huh?
Dude, come on, bro.
Owners.
You slacking, bro. I got you. Did you really detail your car? If you don't finish it off with the black ice, come on, guys. This is key. Now it won't smell like old man in here. Alright, guys, so we're gonna end off the video right here. Our progress on this is probably gonna continue tomorrow. Still gotta wash it and make it look all nice and clean, but the interior looks really, really good. If you guys remember it from before, you know this is a big difference. So, hell yeah. Also, we still gotta degrease the whole engine bay and make that look good too. So if you guys, what? Oh,
I don't know.
yeah.
I want to say this is probably to the fog lights you put on.
Yeah. So tomorrow, if you guys want to stick around, in the next video we're probably gonna degrease this as well, and also do the conversion on the Civic that's chilling back there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is kind of like a different type of video. My boy's gonna see if he can flip it. So if any of you guys are interested when we're finished, if you guys like it, maybe if you need a work truck or something, it's 5-speed. It's an Element, it has hella space in the back. You saw me fit a whole front end in the back. So yeah, if anyone's interested, hit up Leo on his Instagram. Still not finished yet, still gotta make it look pretty.
Still gotta get the pink slip too.
Yeah, and he still needs the pink slip and all that. So soon, guys. But if you guys are interested, definitely keep your eyes on it. You're right. The Element deserves better, bro. Give it to.
The whole thing.
Hey, that shit puts in work, dude. Those things fucking smell good. Boom. 2 black ices, guys. Come on. We're sleeping. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys are new, make sure that subscribe button. Stick around. We're gonna be flipping that. Civic is gonna be getting done soon. Tomorrow. It says it's raining, but we're gonna hope it doesn't. So we'll see you guys in the next video.
Peace.
I be righting my wrongs when I be writing these songs. I'm sacrificing it all. The lonely nights are my motives. Put a price on your